Welcome back to Single Step English. Today, we've got an exciting expression to explore. That's news to me. Let's get started. You'll often hear "that's news to me" when someone is surprised by new information. Imagine you're talking to a friend and they tell you something you didn't know, like a fun fact. Did you know honey never spoils? You could respond with, "Really? That's news to me." It's a way to express surprise and show you learned something new. But here's the twist. "That's news to me" can also be used in a slightly different way. Imagine you're in a meeting and your boss says you're responsible for a new project. You might say, "No one told me about this. That's news to me." In this case, it means you weren't informed or aware of something. So, whether you're pleasantly surprised by new facts or you're genuinely unaware of something, "That's news to me" is a versatile expression. You can use it many ways. Try it in different situations to enhance your English conversation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you next time on Single Step English.